Alright guys, I have a couple new additions to my shop since the last time I did my lame little shop tour, but this right here is a metal cutting bandsaw. I'm running it vertically right now. Here's a bigger shot of it. Running it vertically, it also, this whole thing pivots down so you can kind of use it like a chopping saw. You know, you can fix your, like if you're cutting piping or bars or whatever, you would fix it in there and then chop it like that. But it's set up like a regular bandsaw. Works good for cutting steel, cutting. It also works for G10. It's not super fast, obviously, because a metal cutting bandsaw is cut slower, you know, to reduce speed. Tried to cut some titanium, and let's see how far I got. That's how far I got before my blade just came off its wheels. It's just titanium is very hard to cut, not because it's harder than steel, but because of its heat conduction properties. You have to do friction cutting, which I'm not 100% versed on, so I'll have to figure that out because I need to be able to cut titanium. It's too slow to just cut with my mill. But the biggest addition, fellas, is this beast right here. This is a Beaumont Metalworks KMG knife maker grinder. I think that's what it stands for. This is a 2 horsepower. It's a single speed, unfortunately. Of course, you can change the speeds with this belt drive right here, but that means you have to unbolt it from wherever you have it bolted. They do have a plate that comes with this that has preset holes, but I didn't want to spend the extra $110 or whatever it was for that, because all my money, of course, went into the motor, the frame. That right there, you have to get a 220 volt outlet put in place if you don't already have that. But man, this thing is a solid beast. I mean, you see all that metal right there? That's not hollow, that's a solid piece of metal. The whole thing is made out of solid aluminum or steel. Most of it's steel, the frame, but then there's a lot of, obviously the wheels are aluminum, other different parts are aluminum. I have a flat plating on here, and I also have this one right here. It's a small wheel holder. That's a 1.5-inch wheel. I'm gonna get some more. That allows you to do choils and stuff on knives. I've actually been working on a couple prototypes of actual knives instead of just pimping, but I'll be showing those when they're a finished product. I'd prefer to do that. There's just a few of my belts right there. That one right there has a hole in it. But that right there, man, you should see other knife makers. This right here, they would laugh at this because it's so few belts and they go through so many. But I got good quality belts, so I don't go through these too quickly because I haven't done a lot of steel grinding yet. But I also use them for G10 and stuff. Well, looks like I'm rambling again. So, oh, I got this set of counterbores too. Interchangeable counterbores. If you've never seen one of these, oh man, it's an indispensable tool for knife pimpers. For doing the, this is the perfect size for a Emerson pivot right here. Of course, this goes in your original hole that you drill, and it guides this bore right here to where you get a perfect pivot every time. And the awesome thing about this is it's interchangeable. You can change out the pilot hole size with the different bores that you have. And I got this for, I think, $110 on eBay, which is a complete steal because, I mean, I was looking at counterbores, non-interchangeable counterbores on Grainger.com, and they were $50 a piece. So this right here is awesome to have. Alright folks, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.